Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you will be in good health. I'm your mathematics teacher of grade 6. Students, in our previous topic, we solved exercise 1B. Today, inshallah, we will solve exercise 1C, page number 7. So, open your book, page number 7, exercise 1C. Today, our topic is about Venn diagrams. A set can be represented by a Venn diagram. What is a Venn diagram? Look at here. A Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of a set. A Venn diagram is drawn in the form of a circle. Look at here. Here we have drawn a Venn diagram. In which form? In form of a circle. The Venn diagram for a set of birds that cannot fly would look like this. All other birds not included in the set lie outside. Look at here. They are outside the circle. We will write the names of birds which can fly outside the circle, and which can't fly, we will write their names inside the circle. Look at here, a set of the cities of Pakistan that begin with K. So we will write the names of cities which start with letter K inside the circle, like Karachi, Khuzdar and Kohat. And the cities that do not start or begin with K, we will mention their name outside the circle, like Multan, Peshawar, Mingora, Islamabad, Quetta, Lahore and Mianwali. Look at here, a set of the cities in Pakistan that begin with M. So we will mention the name of cities inside the circle which begin with M, like Mianwali, Mingora, Mirpur Khas and Multan. And the names of cities which do not begin with M, we will write these names outside the circle, like Lahore, Khuzdar, Kohat, Peshawar, Karachi, Quetta and Islamabad. So let's start the exercise 1C, which is on page number 7. Question is, draw a Venn diagram for the following sets. The first one is names of 5 boys starting with A. Here we have draw a Venn diagram, and we have wrote the names of students or boys which name is starting with A, like Ali, Asad, Anwar, Ahmed and Aman. And names that do not start with A, we have written these names outside the circle, like Saima, Saira, Sadia, Nadia and Bilal. Students, you can see that these names have a specific quality. What qualities? They are starting from A. So that's why we wrote these names inside the circle. And names which do not start with A, so I wrote these names outside the circle. And names of 5 girls starting with S. Now we have to write the names of 5 girls which name is starting with the letter S. First we will write names that do not start with S. Ali, Ahmed, Bilal, Nadia and Asad. Students, look at these names. They are not starting with the letter S. They are starting with different letters like A, B and A. And names which are starting with letter S, I have written these names inside the circle, like Saira, Saima, Salma, Sadia and Sara. I think it's enough for you guys. Students, you have to solve question number 1 on your mathematics notebook, and these 2 examples on your practice notebooks. It's your homework. Okay students, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.